Today we're going to be making chocolate peanut butter banana fudge bars. Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make it, so can you, because it's Eatsy. These bars are super easy to make and they only take 4 ingredients. You need bananas, 1 cup of peanut butter, 200 grams of chocolate, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. You need 200 grams of either semi-sweet or unsweetened chocolate. We found that the unsweetened chocolate bars are really good with a sweet vanilla ice cream, but if you plan on enjoying the bars just by themselves, you should definitely use a sweetened chocolate. Start with 3 bananas. You can either mash them by hand in a bowl with a fork, or you can put them in a processor to chop them up finer. Keep blending your banana until it doesn't look like banana anymore. It should look like something went horribly wrong with your DQ blizzard. Next, we're going to chop up our chocolate. Once again, we used unsweetened chocolate, and you can definitely use sweetened if you want to. Or just straight up measure 200 grams of chocolate chips. Put your chocolate in a bowl and then throw it in the microwave to melt it at 30-second increments. When your chocolate's mostly melted, add in your 1 cup of peanut butter. Give it one more 30 seconds in the microwave and then stir the peanut butter into the chocolate thoroughly. Next, in a bowl, we'll add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to the banana and then pour in the chocolate and peanut butter mixture. Quick editor's note: do not mix your chocolate into your bananas until you've got your pan prepared with parchment paper. As soon as you put the chocolate in the bananas, it's going to start cooling down and it's going to get hard to stir because it's going to try to solidify again. You'll see what I mean when we get to that point in the video and I try to transfer the mixture into the pan. Thoroughly mix your chocolate and banana together. Then transfer the mixture into a parchment paper lined container of your choice. It looks disgusting, but I promise it tastes good. Smooth out that monstrosity the best you can and then pop it in the freezer. If you use parchment paper to line your container, it'll be super easy to remove it. Just peel the paper off and there you have it. Use a large knife to cut it down to size, and they're ready to serve. If you want, you can decorate with some whipped cream, and it's especially good with some vanilla ice cream. Let us know if you tried this recipe down in the comments, and whether or not you use sweetened or unsweetened chocolate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.